If you're rocking a Jeep Wrangler JL from 2018 to now, you already know the stock headlights just don't cut it, especially if you're out on the trail after dark or cruising through a downpour. That weak factory glow can kill your night vision and your vibe. So today, we're breaking down the best halo headlights for your Wrangler JL. These bad boys will not only boost your visibility, but also give your Jeep a meaner, custom look. All the links are down in the description, so check them out when you're done watching. Let's kick things off with the Oracle Lighting Oculus. This is some premium stuff. 5,200 lumens of bi-LED projection power that cuts through fog, rain, or pitch-black trails like a laser beam. What's cool? These babies come in 3 bezel colors to match your trim, and the install is plug and play with your stock mounts. Plus, it's got a crazy sharp beam cutoff, which means no blinding oncoming drivers. Bonus: built-in cooling with fans and heat sinks for long-term durability. These lights ain't just bright, they're smart. Next up, Rough Country's 9-inch LED projection headlights. These are street legal and deliver a beastly 6,500 lumens on high beams and 3,000 lumens on low. That's plenty to light up a dirt road or a mountain pass. The look? Clean and aggressive, with that signature black X housing. Installation is totally bolt-on, and it comes with an adapter for easy plug-and-play action. Plus, you've got that IP67 waterproof rating, so mud, rain, or snow won't slow you down. Moving on to the BICYACO 9-inch LED headlights. These are some serious plug-and-play units, and they throw down 9,000 lumens for high beam and 6,000 lumens for low. That's some next-level visibility, especially for night wheeling. It's got premium chips, zero glare for other drivers, and a built-in EMC to kill any radio buzz. With die-cast aluminum housing, IP67 waterproofing, and a rebreather valve, these headlights are tough as nails. And yep, DOT approved, so you're good for daily driving too. Now let's talk about YEEGO Direct's RGB 9-inch headlights. If you want to add some personality, these are lit, literally. They've got full RGB halo daytime running lights with color-changing modes. And yeah, they've still got high and low beams that get the job done. Installation is no sweat, and they're perfect for flexing off-road or cruising the city. You're also looking at over 30,000 hours of life and IP67 waterproofing, plus reflector optics for clean beam projection. DOT certified, so you're riding legal. Finally, check out TrueMod's 9-inch LED halo headlights. These things scream off-road style, with dual halo DRLs that give your Jeep a bold, modern edge. They're tough too. IP67 waterproof, scratch-resistant lenses, and rugged aluminum housing. And here's the kicker. They come with a 25-amp harness that powers the halos directly from your fuse box. No mess, no stress. Plug and play, bolt-on, and fully DOT approved. Basically, it's everything you want without the headache. So there you have it. 5 killer options that'll take your Jeep's lighting game from weak to wild. Whether you want max brightness, color-changing halos, or something simple and rugged, there's something here for every build. Don't forget, all the product links are down in the description. Smash that subscribe button for more off-road gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which headlights you're running on your Wrangler. Catch you on the next ride.